So the Warrior Mini 3 can easily withstand those absolutely brutal drop tests that we just did. Now we're gonna do something a little bit different. This machine right here is going to simulate pressing the side switch over and over and over again. The reason why is because we want to make sure that the side switch is going to continue working even after you guys have pressed it thousands of times for years on end. So that's what this machine is doing. So the way we're gonna do it is, of course, we're gonna move to green status, meaning that we are going to use the machine. Now I'm going to hit the start button, and you can see that this is going to start going up and down. Now, what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to hit the switches. This is a 350-gram weight that's going to simulate an actual finger press. These have some stylus tips on here. Now you can see that it's not working yet because we actually need to adjust. So we need to crank this down. All right, we're not there yet. Let's keep going. Oh, we're starting to get there. And there we go, there we go. So we've got two Warrior Mini 3s in here, and you can see that they're being manipulated by these little stylus tips, and it's going to do it over and over and over again. They actually do this test for hours, again, thousands of times, to make sure that the side switch is always going to work for you for years and years and years. Really, really cool test, and I think this one is quite meaningful. We gotta make sure the switches work.